Yo, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think today I have the best prop farm of all time. I think this is the thing you all have been waiting for. This website called Bull Rush is a prop farm actually called a Bull Rush. Let's sign up together. This prop farm has unlimited free challenges every single day, which can make you win real money. I think this is mind-blowing. Let me show you how you can sign up. First of all, just sign up with your normal account. Then, without wasting any more time, let's go straight to the dashboard here. On your left, you'll see somewhere called Challenge Arena. Remember, you'll find all the link down there. There is affiliate portal there. I just sign up. When you deposit money, or when you deposit money, I think you'll get like double something. I quite really don't remember, but I think I just dropped down the links. You can use it to register. So let's go to competition. Let's go to competition and let's go for single round. Single round means one single day. After that challenge, it's over. So you can see there is paid and free. So you can go straight to free tournament. And just look at this, guys. Just look at this. So we have free. As you can see, there is this one called Day Trader of March. I think that's tomorrow. It's like as you can see, like 17 minutes to go before the challenge begins, and it's end. So it's just a 1-day challenge. Account will be given is $100 account. Whoa, trust me, this is the best. But before that, I think we'll register in another challenge. But let's do something here. Let's go to leadership dashboard. I want to see if there is those rules and everything. So this is everyone who just signed up. I want to see the rules. Yeah, price, as you can see here. Let's view the price. Trust me, this is the best thing I ever found online. So let's go for view price. I want to see price. The first free enter of April trading tournament. So there is a tournament on April, and I think is a paid one, but if you win this as a first one, you'll have a ticket to free enter to that tournament. But free entry to Profit Quest and free entry to Profit Quest, we'll have to figure out what is that. And the rules are pretty simple. Don't lose 5% of the account. What the account? $100 account, as you can see here. So 5% of it. Don't lose 5,000 a day. One account per person. Don't register with 2 emails. Then try to do the challenge at once. Before any prize issue, the winner must. So there will be a verification of KYC. So before getting any prize, you need to upload your photo for ID, proof of resident before the prize is given. Traders are not allowed to reverse copy trade. So for this one, if you do copy trading, this won't be good. You need to do your own trading analysis and not. 100 credits equal to $1. So as we can see, there is this other challenge here. Let me go back, and there is this challenge. I want to log in here. There is this challenge here. I think it's called 16 hours before the challenge, which will begin on 16th, end date on 16th. What the hell? What is this? Okay, single round. Nah, this is just a single round. I think I don't want a single round. Let me go to competition, then tournament. No, so those are the single round. This is tournament. Starting soon. I think I've already registered this one, which begins tomorrow till 24th. And you can see this one now. It's pretty good. You can see here. So this is like groups. The first winner will get 30 credits, but remember we have been told that 100 credits is equal to $1, means this one is like $300. So the first person will win 300 USD, the second one will win like 200, then 100 USD, then this will be 25 and $25. So remember, this is free. Why not trying it? So this is tournament. There is first round, second round, and third round. So yeah, the rules are the same. Don't risk this one, don't risk this one at all time. This is the balance, so, and everything. So guys, trust me, this is the best thing I ever find in my entire life. So like, there is this one. This was the big one. I think I just lose it. This tournament began on March 3rd to tomorrow is the last day, so it's already closed. 27 competitors, 20k. So what the hell, that's a lot of money. So yeah, the single round competition and build your own. So if you want to start a tournament, I guess you can start your own. I don't know what the hell this is, but trust me, I think this will be good. So I think from tomorrow I will be trading with Bull Rush, and I will give you update on what's doing, because today is my first day. I just found out about this, but I'm sure it will be awesome, trust me. So if you miss this, try to register on this one or this one, for tomorrow. 1 hour trading rush, yo, this will be good. So it's like you are trading 1 hour, then you see who will be the winner. Wow, I really like these challenges. Help you master the market. So I think just try it out, not for the aim of being the first one, but just try out for the aim of be better. So if you trade cryptos, there is something good for you. If you trade currencies, there is something good for you here. So if I come to my competitions, I think I have 2 of them. I think I have created a competition. I have no any current competition. I think I have one competition, which is Practice Arena, end of the 3rd of December. Yeah, I think I just sign up for the one of the there is like this one here till December. This arena, Practice Arena, current, balance, return, high risk, blah 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 blah. I have to go through this because I'm really not sure, but I just want to show you as soon as I found this out. But future competition, the future one, starting from tomorrow, as you can see, the one start every tournament start tomorrow. One ends tomorrow night, another one ends like 4 days, I think, up to Friday. So I'm so excited about this, guys. And it's very easy how to log into any of these. Quite easy. Let's go to single registration, then let's look at this. Like 1 hour 1 hour day trade. This is already registered. Profit quest, like 11 minutes to go. Start at 17th, end at 21 March. Registered. Yeah, I think let me register. I want you to see what is happening. So if I click register, I just find out this telling me every single thing. Then I will just say, oh, you have to buy this. This you need 500 credits to enter this competition. I will go through this credits. So this credits 100. Oh, this is $5. What? This challenge are so simple. So I think I will take this. $5. Yeah. I think I have that in my account. That the paid one. I will just pay it right now. I will just pay it right now. That is very easy, very cheap, very cheap. So let's go for the easiest one, for the free one. So for the free one, let's register on this 1 hour competition. Let's click on register, blah blah blah. Just click agree and join the tournament. As you can see, you have already joined the tournament. So guys, please let me on the tournament. I will be giving you more of this. I think these free tournament stuffs, I think, are the best. And if you know any of the free tournaments, I think please share with me. Let's build a good community which help each other. So in my tournament, in my competitions here, there is this one. If you want to log into your dashboard, quite easy. So let me click on my oh, I just want to let it load. If you go to our email, you'll already have the logins and everything. Let me reload and see. Yeah, as you can see, welcome to 1 hour tournament, blah blah blah. I think if I open, I will find the password. I don't know, but I don't want to open like that. So let me say, like, we have this one. If I click view the dashboard, then say view the dashboard, then say I want to register to the C trader. I want to log to the C trader. How can I log in? I know using email. I've already done one. This one, I think, welcome to competition. If you click it and then you click on dashboard, very quite easy. You'll go straight to you can see here your password. Like, you can see password and username. So if you click on access your platform, you'll come straight to here. Then you'll just enter it out, your logins and everything. Then every other thing is just history. So yeah, that's it, guys. I think you'll not miss of this. Just copy this, then paste for the name, copy password, paste to the password, then click enter. You'll be already in. That's quite easy. So these are the competition which are in progress. Upcoming are here. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow, later, I will share a video of what is going on, because I see all the challenges only takes like a day or something. So yeah, so this is like hola. This is hola. Oh, this is another pro farm. Okay, let me do like log out in order to enter the password. No, let me copy like this password here. Let me paste it like, oh no, let me enter like Control V and sign in. So booyah, we are in, guys. We are in. As you can see, $100 here, bull rush. This is the platform. We are ready to start our challenge. Section is closed, open in 9 minutes. So you can just click on okay, first of all, I've already logged in. I want just to open in platform. Yeah, here the platform. I think I've already pin it to my desk board. So yeah, guys, see you in the next video.